Machines are the invisible backbone of the modern world. They complete in seconds what would take humans hours or even days. From harvesting vast fields to building roads, they transform physical effort into precise and controlled motion. In this video, we will explore some of the most satisfying factory machines that make difficult work look effortless. David Bowman Pumpkin Harvester. As this machine moves through the field, multiple rows of pumpkins disappear beneath it at once. Behind it, the ground is left clean and evenly cleared. Prinoth Panther T16. Its heavy-duty tracks move through deep mud and rough terrain without losing balance. Even with massive loads on board, this powerful machine keeps crawling forward like the ground barely matters. John Deere DB120. This massive planter stretches across the field, dropping seeds with precise spacing. It turns large-scale planting into a fast and controlled process. Lily Vector. Inside the barn, this robotic machine quietly delivers fresh feed exactly where it's needed. Every route is calculated, every stop is precise. It keeps the feeding process running without interruption. Claas 700. Its huge tires grip the soil while the engine pulls heavy farming equipment with steady power. There is no struggle or hesitation, just constant controlled power across the field. Roadside milling machine. The rotating cutters of this machine grind away damaged asphalt layer by layer. The rough surface disappears behind it, leaving a clean base ready for new paving. In minutes, an old road is ready for fresh pavement. Automatic road marking machine. This road marking machine sprays reflective paint onto the road in perfectly straight lines as it moves with steady precision. Every marking is placed exactly where drivers expect to see it. Road stud drilling machine. This big drill punches identical holes into the pavement one after another without slowing down. The spacing stays so accurate that it almost looks digitally measured. The curb roller. Wet concrete is shaped instantly as the machine moves forward. A finished curb appears continuously behind it. There is no need for separate molds or manual finishing. The ATR Orbiter. This compact machine moves across the surface with steady, controlled force, breaking through packed snow and frozen winter layers. Each pass clears the road completely, leaving it smooth, safe, and ready to use again. Sausage Tying Machine 800. This machine twists and ties sausage links at incredible speed while keeping every section nearly identical. By the time one row finishes, another is already moving through. M&P Onion Peeler. Onions pass through the machine and come out fully peeled within seconds. The outer layers are removed cleanly and quickly. The process keeps running without delay. S55 Vegetable Processing Machine. In this machine, vegetables enter in bulk and are sliced into uniform pieces in seconds. The cuts are clean and consistent every time. It transforms preparation into a fast production flow. Sermon Concerto. Its circular blade spins smoothly as the product moves forward, cutting thin, even slices in a steady flow. Each piece falls cleanly, as uniform as perfectly cut pasta strands. CNC Milling Machine XH7126. The cutting tool moves across metal with slow, precise control. Each pass removes thin layers that gradually shape a detailed mechanical part from the solid block. Flow Water Jet Mach 500. A high-pressure water stream. Cuts through thick material with surprising ease. The edges remain clean without heat damage. Even complex shapes are formed smoothly. Mark-Forged Metal X Gen 2. The machine builds metal parts layer by layer from a digital model. Slowly, a solid object takes shape inside the printing chamber. The process feels more like creation than manufacturing. EOSM 290. Inside a sealed chamber, lasers fuse metal powder into highly precise structures. Each layer adds more detail to the final part. The result is a highly accurate engineered component. Wooden Cutlery Molding Machine. With this machine, flat wooden sheets are pressed into finished cutlery shapes. Spoons and forks appear one after another in a continuous flow. Cold Oil Press Machine. Seeds are compressed inside the machine while oil slowly flows out. The extraction is steady and controlled. It produces natural oil without complex processing. Paper Bag Making Machine. Large paper rolls move through folding and sealing sections at high speed. Within seconds, flat paper turns into fully formed bags ready for packaging. BOPP Tape Making Machine. Film rolls pass through coating and cutting systems in a continuous flow. Each stage is synchronized for smooth production. The final result is long rolls of finished tape. Kodak i5000 Scanner. Stacks of documents pass through the scanner at high speed. Every page is captured clearly without delay. It converts large volumes of paperwork into digital files within minutes. Xuer Shine Ultra. A single scan captures full pages clearly without pressing or damaging the document. It makes archiving simple and efficient. Course XC-002. The machine cuts each groove of the key with extreme precision. Every movement matches the original pattern exactly. Even the smallest mistake is avoided through controlled accuracy. Compressed towel machine. Its hydraulic press flattens soft towels under extreme pressure until they shrink into a tiny solid block. When water is added, the compressed material quickly expands back to its original full-sized form. Paper straw making machine. This machine feeds a thin strip of paper and wraps it tightly around a rotating rod, layer by layer. Glue locks each layer in place as the structure forms a strong tube. It repeats the process at high speed, producing uniform paper straws continuously. Single-dose coffee capsule filling machine. Empty capsules move through the system as precise amounts of coffee are measured and filled inside. Each capsule is instantly sealed to lock in freshness and aroma. Melamine sponge cutting machine. In this machine, large blocks of melamine foam pass through sharp cutting blades that slice them into perfectly shaped cleaning sponges. Every cut is uniform, with no waste or irregular edges. Woven label weaving machine. Fine threads move rapidly through the weaving system as detailed patterns gradually form on narrow fabric strips. Text and logos appear with precise alignment and sharp clarity. Disposable glove manufacturing machine. Molds travel through liquid latex where thin, even layers coat each shape. After heating and drying, the gloves automatically peel off and continue along the production line. Hot stamping machine. A heated plate presses metallic foil onto the surface with controlled pressure and precision. Logos and patterns appear instantly with a sharp, glossy finish. Paper cup forming machine. This machine takes flat paper sheets and rapidly folds, heats, and seals them into cup shapes in a continuous motion. Every cup forms with tight edges and consistent structure. The machine runs in a steady rhythm, producing finished cups without pause. These machines reveal the true power of engineering in action. They take complex, demanding work and turn it into precise, efficient processes. If you like the video, please subscribe and see you in the next one.